It's a windy day. We're out here on a pit stop. And we're kind of sort of bird watching. Oh, you want to be in the video?
There make a surprise guest every now and then.
I hope they can hear this because I'm doing this on the cell phone. And when I do things on the cell phone, the wind messes everything up.
We haven't got loaded Becky the mic for when you're out in the windy area yet.
But anyway, we're on our way. We have an outing to do, and on the way, we decided we would stop here at the Edwin B. Forsythe Nature Reserve. I'm looking down right now because I'm trying to dodge goose poop, and I started some bird watching. So that's the video. Windy out here today, but got a couple more birds for the list. This was a nice little impromptu trip. Obviously I wasn't prepared. Saw osprey back there in the nest that they make for them over here, and yeah, this was a nice little side trip. Did you enjoy yourself?
Of course.
Yep. That means I need to buckle up because we're leaving. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.